Tyndall Typewriters was inspired because of, again, my love for storytelling. As a mechanical engineer, I can't afford to be a car collector. Okay, but I can afford to refurbish a typewriter and get it working and functioning and actually make art from what I type. But then how do you share that experience? How do you get people to kind of step away from being online all the time? It was written at a time of COVID, so we were all sequestered into our homes. So that alone, you had a yearning to get this story out there. In fact,
You're smart, you're a colored feller, you have class, you're a gentleman. That's all I want from my girls.
so Tyndall Typewriters is about a guy named Thomas Tyndall, who is a typewriter repair person. He loves vintage typewriters, and he pretty much lives off the grid. And he doesn't even own a computer. And he works in his own little shop, but he fixes up typewriters. And he basically goes door to door to drop off people's typewriters, pick them up, service them, the whole thing. And he comes across a woman who's a failed chef. She had a Michelin star chef, restaurant in Manhattan, and she's gone from that to becoming an online teacher.
Show me what's going on with your typewriter.
Oh, well, the doohickey here is jammed. The guy who sold it to me said it was in perfect working order.
So her problem is she's disconnected from her students and that whole experience that she was so gifted in doing from before. So Thomas helps her through his typewriter find that new connection, a way of connecting with people through storytelling. It's something that they can mutually share. Again, storytelling with typewriters, storytelling with food, and that brings them together on their own journey.